This caramel almond crunch ice cream sandwich is going to bring you instant smiles, so check out how it's made. Today's ice cream sandwich recipe is so delicious, you better make extra. I have Gabriel here already spreading a little chocolate hazelnut spread onto round shortbread cookies. To bring you this fun treat, I've teamed up with Dreyer's Slow Churn Light Ice Cream, the makers of today's smooth and crunchy flavor, the California Caramel Almond Crunch. It's deliciously creamy with half the fat, and the crunch comes through in the California almond pralines with a swirl of gooey caramel. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, but my favorite moments are those that I get to spend with my kids, creating rich family memories. And that, my friend, is a sweet recipe for success if you ask me. Now that Gabriel and I are finished spreading the chocolate spread onto all the shortbread cookies, we're going to stuff these sandwiches with our ice cream. To stuff them, you can use a small cookie dough scoop, a melon baller, or a teaspoon to scoop out the ice cream onto each cookie. I like to work together with my kids to make this so they can help me make these super fast. Once we have the tray ready, you'll want to transfer it into the freezer immediately. Meanwhile, we're going to melt some chocolate chips and coconut oil in a microwave-safe bowl, stopping to stir a couple of times. When the mixture is ready, we bring the ice cream sandwiches out of the freezer and immediately dip half of the cookies into the chocolate coating and place them back onto a parchment-lined baking sheet or plate. We're going to freeze these for 5 more minutes for the chocolate coating to harden, and then they're ready. So crunchy and delicious, filled with smooth ice cream and delicious caramel flavor. Wow. For the recipe, make sure you click on the link below this video. And don't worry if you can't find Dreyer's ice cream, it's also known as Edie's east of the Rockies. For more delicious treats and fun recipes, browse through this YouTube channel and subscribe. Visit edies.com or dryers.com for inspiration on how to incorporate slow churn light ice cream onto your family favorite recipes.